Good morning. Good morning. I am Sandra Chisholm-Ford. Welcome to a day in my life. Okay, I'm gonna get the girls up. I generally have to wake them up twice, so this is gonna be their first wake up. Wake up, Mama. It's 4:45. I'll be making traditional Jamaican breakfast in mackerel and dumpling. I am a registered nurse. I'm a registered midwife. I'm a public health nurse, and I lecture at the UWI School of Nursing, Mona. I also am a Justice of the Peace with the Parish of St. Andrew, and I am one of the vice presidents of the Nurses Association of Jamaica. So my plate is full during the day. My day generally entails me dropping off the girls at school, and I then go to the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Then from there, I will go to the Andrews Memorial Hospital, and depending on what type of day I'm having, I will be going to the UWI. You all must be wondering, how do I manage to get so many things in my day? It's not easy, and it doesn't matter how well planned your day is, something is going to be off. Time management is extremely important, and at any given time in your life, in your day, there is something that takes priority. So give it the time that it requires for it to be done properly.
While talking to you, don't.
Listen, I put too much water in my flour. I have 4 biological children, but I have 6 children. My oldest, he's not here now. My second is a computer analyst, and my third, she's a chemist. My baby, she is the goalie for the Jamaica's under-20 national lacrosse team. My other 2 daughters, Ulrika, she is in her final month of med. She'll be doing her final MBBS. My youngest, not biological either, but that's Esther. I got her after her mother died from breast cancer. That's my bunch. All right, so I think it's time for my second wake up for the girls. I hope it works this time. These are the girls I woke up earlier, dead asleep. 5:22.
You sure that wake up now?
Wake up. Danielle is generally the trouble I may have to do a third wake up. I may have to do a third wake up. This is not scripted, this is done. While she makes up her mind, I'm gonna go get ready. I still have to feed this family. Fix your shoes. I'll fix your face. Too sulky. Oh yes, you guys went to JCDC yesterday. How was it?
Come first.
Oh, no, come first? Which song you sing?
For good from
Wow.
Wicked. Yourself.
For Good from Wicked?
Yeah.
Who's Wicked?
It's a play. It's a musical.
Oh, Wicked is a musical. I thought Wicked was a person. Okay. So give me a piece now.
Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good.
Remember to get something to eat.
She just put that stuff in the trunk, you know? Yes?
How much dumpling you want?
Girl, do not do that.
You don't want any food?
Alright guys, let's go. It's gonna rain today. Great. So this is my favorite time of year. So the road is nice and
I didn't realize that there was
welcome. This is the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. The Victoria Jubilee Hospital is the largest maternity hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean, and we do approximately 45% of the total births in the entire island annually. So this is the BCG room. So we give the BCG, which is the vaccine that protects the babies against tuberculosis, and we also give the hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is new. In the mornings when I get here, I prepare my igloos and I determine how many patients are necessary to get the vaccine. And we do BCG for all babies that are born and are with mommy. So we go from bed to bed and we ask each mother whether or not the baby had already got the vaccine. And the mother says no, we collect the infant's passport and we check to see if everything is written up properly, and we invite the mommy and the baby to come into the room and we give the vaccines in the room. So good morning, I'm Nurse Chisholm-Ford. I'll be giving your babies 2 vaccines today. That's the BCG. They generally don't cry for the BCG because it doesn't hurt. Sometimes they fuss because my hands are cold. But the one on the leg, that stings a little bit, so they're going to scream, all right? After this, I would go to the postnatal surgical ward where I would do the same procedure, the BCG and hepatitis B. So I've just finished at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. I'll be making my way to Andrews Memorial Hospital. Then I'll be making my way to the University of the West Indies, Mona. So see you all at the UAE School of Nursing, Mona. Good morning, ma'am. It is now that time of year that the students dread most, exam time. So I had my final exam yesterday and I have papers to mark. Generally though, if I was not doing this, I would be teaching. Lectures are normally minimum 3 hours, and there are other activities that take place in the school where I'm responsible for. I'm currently the Year 1 coordinator for the nursing program. I also help with the interviews, and when all of that is done, we have to start planning the new semester. But for today, as you can see, the piles of paper. Okay. Following my meeting, I will maybe have lunch, and then I will pick my children up from school, take them home, and then I proceed to my volunteer clinic. My clinic at Whitfield Town Health Center is by far my most interesting experience and the one I love most. I have 2 of my students from the Columbia University in the US. They are nursing students and they are spending the afternoon as a part of our exchange program with the Columbia University. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patients for this afternoon. And the 5 of them are for contraceptive injection. I've been doing this since 2002, and I offer maternal and child health services to over 200 women. Every week varies depending on the appointments that we have. If you know, Whitfield Town community is one of the inner city communities that has a history of violence and a lot of turf wars, so patients are not able to cross borders to get healthcare. And these borders can either be real or imaginary. So having that service that they can come to is something that they are grateful for, and I am grateful to be able to serve. So thank you for coming.
Thank you, man.
Don't miss your appointment, please.
I won't.
Yes. So it is now 6:30. It's earlier than I normally leave. It's a little early day today. Patient count was a little light, but it was a wonderful day nonetheless. Thank you for sharing a day in my life. Bye.